Tuesday, Jan 16, rates up, dollar up, S&P 500 marginally down. So rates up about 3%, pushing into that 200-day moving average in this case, still below the 9 EMA on the weekly, so we'll want to hopefully see that hold with a further push down in rates this week. TBD there. On the DXY, definitely did not, right? We pushed out pretty forcefully out of this nice little accumulation pattern and into the 9 EMA hooking. A lot of wicks, wouldn't want to sit through that, but pushing out nonetheless. So the question is, if we can't hold the 50 weekly here, is 104 and 105 then in play for any further upside on DXY? SPY itself then again marginally down. Actually talking Bitcoin, we're going to flip to the 1 hour here. Just now that it trades under US equity hours on the ETF, here's the initial launch day, 111. Nice up candle push up, and then immediately reversed there in the first 30 minutes of the trading session to close sort of down near low of day. Flip the next day in terms of trading, NYSE hours, Friday, big breakdown off that level. Guess what? First hour of trading basically. And then skipping Monday as it was a non-trading session. Tuesday here, pretty big wick as you could tell. So initial downside momentum with the float upward for the time being. So just to overall note the pattern of sell pressure initially right off the gate in U.S. Stock trading hours. Solana itself on the 4 hour question here is, are we bunching up, holding this 200 moving average on the 4 hour, connecting a trend line off some of these wicks, not all though, some have pierced. Could we get some momentum ignition to the upside? We'll find out here perhaps in the next 8 hours or so. Finally, ETHBTC. Huge push, as you know from prior videos, higher volume, rising 9 EMA, hanging out here above the 200-day moving average in what looks like a bull flag. So we'll see if we can get further upside there, even on ETHBTC. So the relative pair for ETH to outperform. Keep an eye on it. It seems to be skipping around that 2,600 mark for the time being. ETH itself versus the dollar, similar construct, breakout of that flag. Pushed in, or it's sort of bullish retracement into the 9 EMA, and then here with a renewed push. So hopefully we can keep it going. All right, take care.